EXD, globally certified by SAP for its excellence, introduces Smart Recipe Planner, an advanced Fiori application designed to streamline complex manufacturing. Say goodbye to inefficiencies in SAP GUI. No more navigating endless screens for materials, BOMs, and quality control. Optimize your workflow with smarter, faster solutions. Managing manufacturing in SAP GUI can be time-consuming and complex. Smart Recipe Planner, our advanced Fiori application, transforms this process by consolidating all essential data into a single, intuitive platform. It enhances efficiency, streamlines workflows, and enables real-time decision-making, ensuring better control from planning to execution. In SAP GUI, we navigate to the COR3 production order screen and enter the sample production order number. The material list displays the BOM components, while the operations section shows subordinate operations and resources. A custom screen is available where the production order is assigned to the manufacturing component for execution, ensuring proper scheduling and alignment with operational requirements. This screen provides critical details such as the production order number, assigned user, plant resource name, start date, and execution time, offering a clear reference for tracking and management. In the SAP Fiori Launchpad, the application opens upon clicking its designated tile. This brings up the main screen of the Smart Recipe Planner. At the top of the screen, core information such as production order and BOM details is displayed. The actual quantity must be greater than 0. To proceed, the user inputs real-time manufacturing data, including actual quantity, temperature, RPM, pH, and pressure. Once the required data entry is completed, the user clicks the Submit button. If the entered PIN is invalid or the user is not authorized, the system will display an error message. This step ensures that only authorized personnel can proceed. All entered values must be real-time and accurate. Upon successful submission, all editable fields will be grayed out, indicating that no further modifications can be made. The real-time data is securely stored in the system, ensuring its availability for future reference. In the next step, the end user enters real-time information into the relevant fields, such as actual quantity, actual temperature, actual pH, and actual RPM. Once the data entry is complete, the user clicks the Submit button. A pop-up screen appears, prompting the user to enter a PIN code for authentication. If the entered PIN is invalid or the user lacks authorization, the system displays an error message. This step will ensure that only authorized personnel can proceed. Upon successful submission, all editable fields are grayed out, preventing further modifications. The real-time data is securely stored in the system, ensuring its availability for future reference. After the submission of the step, the QC user verifies the quality of the data. The QC user records the QC start time and QC end time, and enters any relevant QC comments to ensure proper documentation of the quality control process. Once the QC fields are filled, they become a one-time entry, and the system restricts further modifications after they are saved. After completing the QC step, the authorized person clicks the Finish button, indicating that the manufacturing process has been successfully completed.